Okay, hello and welcome to a new game. Now, I'm gonna label this as an explanation because I don't think it can be classed as a walkthrough or a playthrough because it doesn't have a storyline and it's basically impossible to complete in a series of episodes. So, we're gonna leap right in and we're going to go with making a sailboat. Now, as you see, there are a couple elements in here, and any of you who might have played the game know that you don't start out with all of these elements. You only start out with water, fire, earth, and air, and that is what it is built off of. So we're going to start off building the sailboat. So to start the sailboat, we're going to need earth and earth, which would make pressure, which is right here. Now we're going to use pressure and air to make wind, which is right there, and atmosphere, which is right there. We don't need atmosphere right about now. And that would make wind. That's one of our key components. So we're going to need water and wood to make a boat for the sailboat. Now, water is very easy, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to drag it up here. But wood is a lot more complex, and I'm talking like evolution path complex. So we're going to start out by making rain with water and air. And then we need rain and earth to make a plant. And then we need mud and a plant. So mud is basically earth and water. So we need mud and a plant to make swamp. And then we need swamp and energy. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to put energy. Okay, so how do you make energy? I'm trying to remember how you make energy. Is it like this? No, it's not like this. I'm really sorry. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to, here you can see all the different things that I've got. So anyways, moving right along, we're going to go into the thing and we're going to look up energy. So this is actually really good because it shows you what I do when I'm planning videos. So we're going to look up energy. Sorry about this.
I started playing sports.
Too bad. Once again, ads. Yeah. So energy is air and fire. Okay. Now then, back in. Yeah, Game Screen Recorder is actually my recording software. So air and fire. So we need energy and swamp to make life. And then we need earth and life to make human. And that's about as far as we can go on that evolutionary path. Now, to make a tree, we need fire. Well, no, we need sand first. So sand is air. Well, no, sorry, I'm really confused because my path, I guess you could call it, isn't complete. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to make stone. So we're going to get earth and fire, and then we're going to get air on the magma. Then once we've done that, I think you use air on the stone to make sand. Then, now that we've made the stone, we can make glass, and then we need glass and sand to make time and an hourglass. So we're going to keep time. And move right swiftly onwards. So, let's see, where were we? Fire, sand, so we need time and a plant. So we need a plant, and we get a tree. And that's as far as we can go on that path. So to make a tool, we need the rock that we made earlier, and some fire to get some metal, and then we drag our human to the tool. And now we take the tool on the tree, and that makes wood. So to make a boat, we make water and wood, and then to make a sailboat, our final product, we put wind and boat together. So that makes our sailboat. Now then, on to the second one, which is a heck of a lot more simple because all it requires is 2 rainbows, so it's not very complex. So double rainbow. You start off with fire and water. That would make steam. So to make this, you need to go to A and you need to take air and put it together to make a cloud. Now you use the air and the cloud to make sky. You use the fire and the sky to make the sun. Then you use the rain that we made in the rain, which is water and air, but we do actually have it right here. But you use water and air to make rain. Then you combine that to make a rainbow. Now you're going to need a second rainbow, so this one's a lot more simple because it took up a lot less time. So you're going to take a rainbow and you get a double rainbow. So that is the 2 that we're going to be showcasing today. Now, if you want more, just look around my game channel. So this is me signing off. Bye-bye!